People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You don't know health over wealth, and your health is your wealth, so take care of it. Make sure you not take care of it. See? Alright, my viewers and subscribers. Anyone in the end of the world, big up on the service, support is highly appreciated. Now, today we're going to talk about Jah Cure, because Jah Cure in the spotlight, in the hot water again, for the wrong reason. You know, recently a lady came out and said, yo, she wrote the most songs for him and not publishing nothing at all. And I mean, and you know, that went down and boiled down. You know, not knowing if the lady was telling the truth or not. But Jah Cure is always in the limelight. And him fishing, and I mean, or him slice up him fish or him chicken or whatever. Obviously, recently he came out advising strategy if you go for cartel the crown. He also tell strategy enough to follow no party and just do him thing. And he also stated that him just live him life, he make him own a Rasta culture, Rasta morals or whatever. And bore him earring, him ears bore and him wear him tight clothes and him fashion, he just want to live life. You know what I mean? So nothing wrong with that. I can't tell a man to live them life. Live your life the way you want. Don't let nobody tell you can't. That's right. It was a like. It's your flipping life. Yeah man, so I don't know big up Jah Cure, but right now we come to adjust the matter and Jah Cure, me not like brother. You don't look good for your star. Again, my viewers and subscribers, we're going to talk about this. Because we have the voice note of Jah Cure apologizing, and also an article with the lady, alleged lady, Zine I Am Smalls, I wish you want name, who said she was one of the lady, the friend of Jah Cure. See, so I'm going to hear what she said. See, this is an article we get from Urban Islands, big up Urban Islands, you know what I mean? Yes, online. We give you the news them online. See? Yeah, so after the break.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. You want the 9 to 5 reading, you can go and check it out, you know what I mean? Various artists, 8 artists, Rasai Marek, Real Askill, Tarlop UK Presidential, you don't know, Dan Mafia, Dan Youth, you see, Leo Voltage, Dipmatic, see? 8 nice songs, you can go listen it and stream it. It's available on all downloadable platforms. And big up to all who have done a mix so far, you know what I mean? Yeah man, DJ Baba alongside Justice Sound, DJ Wanted, and Reynolds, another new veteran. I don't know who get the songs then, but big up yourself, Reynolds. Same? Yeah man, remember your name still, but big up yourself, brother. Jerry Reynolds, I think. Yeah man, the 9 to 5 rhythm, go and check it out. You don't know, give the support. Artists them there, boss to express them talent. You see me? Yeah man, alright. Now my viewers and subscribers, we go going right now. See me? Jah Cure. See, a video was circulating of him talking and threatening a lady, or 2 ladies, 2 women. You know what I mean? Say one back him money. You see, or if he not fuck one of them, you know, he's broke up on her foot or whatever. And to me the video was disturbing because I said, John, the man deal with the woman them, so you know. Not looking around, be a bad girl and bring you come. That one why I'm love strategy song, because I'm that into regular, you know. And that into regular, you know. Flying the girl them and freak them out, you know. You see me, I out them off and grounds them out. You see me? Yeah, you see me? So that's why I love Tyler G song and I big up Tyler G. So when the man say, yo, yeah man, one of my favorite song that, Nookie Run, be a bad girl and bring you come. A regular I'm flying the girl them and some young girl too, them good all flying and freak them out, you know, and guns them out, yeah. You see me? And pay them money. You see me? Give them money. So you say John Star, Jah Cure, why for your brother? Low, you got low brother. Big one thing, you see me? Yeah, so in the article now, you see me, I'm making the hear the lady I say. And this was before Jah Cure came out and gave his side of the story. See, so I'm going to read what the lady I say. See? Yeah, and this was from Urban Islands. You know what I mean? See there? Yeah, man. Woman in Jah Cure's leaked video claims he threatened her over body wash. What? Jah Cure? Are them fetish they have in your system, in your genes, brother? No, sir. A woman who has stepped up to say that she is the one who was in the viral video where reggae artist Jah Cure is heard cursing and threatening a woman and admitting to hitting her. The woman in the comments posted on the viral video says that the incident occurred in 2019. Jah Cure wanted a taboo sex act that the women were not comfortable doing. See, so the lady said this happened 2019, last year. See, and Jah Cure wanted a taboo sex act, body wash, which the woman them weren't happy with, comfortable doing. You know what I mean? I'm not saying maybe them a freak, you know, maybe them do them thing, but they weren't comfortable going so deep. See? Yeah. Yeah, see? So she said she and another woman into Jamaica, and that she and Jah Cure are acquainted for years now. However, things soured as Jah Cure requested for analingus, or the act of performing oral sex on the anus, turned the woman off. He became violent after the refusal. Zine, now I don't know if I lie that woman are telling you about the anus thing. Zine, I don't know if she does make up that to make it worse upon Jah Cure still, but how the man end up in this predicament? Zine, alright. Them say spread your bed the lane on it. You see me? The woman whose IG handle is Quickie Smalls says, "It's me in the video. I started recording because he wouldn't let us leave. Then hit us and then again wouldn't let me leave. I was truly scared." She denies being the one to leak the video. "I showed this video to the police and I assume that is who leaked it. He wanted me to eat his ass, and when I wouldn't, it got violent." So she said she went to the police station and showed it to the police, gave it to the police. She never said gave, it said showed. Showed and gave is two different things. See? So maybe she gave it to them still, but yeah. You know, she said after she refused, it got violent. The woman whose name is not disclosed has an OnlyFans account, which is pinned to the location of Utah in the US. In another comment, the woman said that Jah Cure flew them into the island but denied he gave the money. "He didn't give us money. He flew us there. He wanted the money for that back. I knew him for years, so it wasn't an issue except this time." So the woman said she knew him for years. One of the lady knew him for years and they never had a problem or issue. Zine, I remember Jah Cure said them always come to Jamaica, them have dancer man and this and that, and you know, you see me? And yo, I tell you boy. So she said Jah Cure paid for the flight. He didn't give them the money directly. He paid for the flight and flew them into Jamaica. Zine, when questioned by another commenter about what was promised, the woman replied, "He wanted me to lick his butthole, and when I said no, he tried to make my friend. So we tried to leave, and he went crazy and hit me. Told me, pack. Then came back yelling. That's when I filmed. I got away before my friend and went to the police. They are the only other ones with this video. I didn't leak it. This happened in 2019. You see me?" Yo! So yeah, the lady said, yo, he wanted them to lick his bottle. Jah Cure must see the hand and anything or him junk or something. You see me? Why him want that fetish? Why him never ask the girl if he just blow him or never have him Charlie? You know what I mean? Him Willie or him Muda or whatever, him cock. So you get bad things and laugh at that. You see me? Yes, so basically at that. I get to meet some viewers and subscribers. The lady I said, yo, she refused of doing that on her friend, and he got mad. I know Jah Cure get mad, you know. You see me? One time he said Jah Cure and Sizzla kick off, you know. Yeah, and this is from good source with our studio reason. And we said Jah Cure go up on him, like Sizzla must have tell him, say, yo, fix the vocal, man. You see me? Vocal never sound good on the sound, man. And Sizzla give him some advice. I said, Jah Cure pop off his knife and jump on the rooftop, you know, on the car top in and stay. So, because be about the house, so come like Jah Cure and easy the cheap. You see me? Yeah. So she said it happened in 2019. See? She also said, no, he paid for the flight and wanted that back, cause I no boy, batty, fish boy. And that the lady I said, Him pay for the fly for them come in. So because not never run, no looking around. Be a bad gal and bring it come. So him say one back in money. So the lady said at that. When him say one back in money. In the viral video that went, you know what I mean? That went out there, him say, yo, run back my money. If your friend don't give back my money, my broke her hand or if him no fuck her now. You see him? Yeah, so Jah Cure has not responded to the allegations of the leaked video. However, in the leaked video, he told the woman he would kill them if anyone found out about what happened. It is unclear if he was referring to the incident of verbally abusing the woman or the actual taboo act. Zine? Yo. And we all see the video and hear everything we said in the video. Zine? And I said, Jah Cure, the woman that around the thing and you bad them up and check them up like that, you couldn't make them go on. You worth too much millions and you brag with your house and you all of this and that. And you want bad woman over $600? Because them don't give you what you want, your fetish desire. Why fear Jah Cure? Yeah man, so that was what the lady addressed, and her name is Quickie Smalls. I'm gonna put her picture with the Instagram link. You can go over there and see what I want. See? When I say Jah Cure, you, brother, yeah man. Never say it on the Rasta community because that's why I put that saying now, so if you know Rasta. Me go relax because me heal the last year. But what? I eat my chicken, I eat my fish, I live my life. You see me? Yeah, I'm not saying that I'm a don't Rasta mother Rasta. You know what I mean? I'm growing a Rasta family. You know what I mean? And live my life, brother. I'm trying to live honest and clean with people. You see me? Yeah, you get me? Yes, so Jah Cure, why you fear, brother? No, sir. Now I'm going to support you upon that one, brother. You should make the girl them go on. Because vanity is vanity. We all have dead left money and AC and BC and all of them in the car and them thing there. You see me? But because the girl them give you desire, you want to bother the girl them and I check the girl them. See? And this was 2019, the lady said it happened. See? So now I'm going to play the voice note of Jah Cure apology. I can hear her go on. Then we forward back again. See? Alright.
Years ago, almost to be exact, this happened. A friend of mine sent this video to me years ago and tell me that to be careful, and I explained to him what happened. These girls that came here, how I met them the first time is that one of them got beat up by some dancers, some street dancer guy who said that she mixed him up with his wife and he beat her so bad. They reached out to me as a friend that I know a long time. And I put them up, show them love, they flow out. If I never show them love, they wouldn't ask me to come back here. And I show them love on a brotherly terms. But they know people in Jamaica. They've been coming to Jamaica like 4 or 5 times. Remember, she was talking to a dancer and then they know artists. So in that time of grief when they were hurt about the situation, I'm sure they send the video to maybe a couple or few or maybe one Jamaican friend, who knows. But it was there all this time. But it just leaves me to figure that it seems like now it, fall into one of the hands of someone that would really like to terminate you, in every way they can. Them social media warfare that them set up out there for fight. These are them little trick where them pull. Yeah, because everyone have them private life. And you don't know. You and someone in an argument and someone a video you without you knowledge is a form of setup and a blackmail. You feel me? Yeah, because I was always good to them. That was the only bad moment me and them share from the time they were here in Jamaica. I show them so much love and take care of them. It's just because I've realized things missing on my house, valuable items, and some cash. And I asked about it, and it caused some vibes, and we just start talking about all of different things. So I said, yeah, I'm grateful, just give me back my ticket. You know what I mean? Yeah, plus I'm not fucking even either of them either. I know it's wrong to talk to them the way I was talking to them. And I definitely apologize for that in myself. But deeply, they know I didn't mean anything because I didn't touch them.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Here with Jah Cure say, this happened few years ago, 7 years ago. Zine, and she has said 7 years ago was 2013. Zine, and this lady has said that in 2019. Zine, so she went to the police and she assumed that police was the one who leaked the video, but she never leaked it, she never put it out. You see me? You see it? And Jah Cure said, yo, somebody did warn him about the video. I said, yo, be careful of these girls and blah blah. But maybe one of the police they warned him, me don't know, or police, you know, police friend, they know him and say, yo, be careful of these girls and blah blah. But somewhere some of the video leaked now. But Jah Cure said that's 7 years ago. When I believe that, my viewers and subscribers, comment in the section and let me know an opinion on this matter. Let me know if you don't believe Jah Cure or don't believe the lady, the girl. See? I remember, we all know it's Jah Cure, but the lady is alleged still. Me as allegedly for the lady, we don't know for she, but there's a page out there where she admit and answer the questions them. See? Yeah, so, I don't know Jah Cure, be yourself, brother. Live some life with your family, and your kids them. And I could see your kids them out there enjoy life and anything. You want to drink and jump with one bag of man and, you know what I mean, have a fetish desire. You left from hood and gone a bat. You want the girl them in your crack? Oh yeah, you're part of alkaline. Yo, we are telling the viewers and subscribers that, yo, I only if I love that lion for today, I don't eat that for them, you know. See, Jah Cure, fix up your act, brother. They go one thing. You see me? Yeah, man. I don't know, a lion foot in our speak man, we give it out to speak and we not say we speak, we're perfect, you know. But we try to live life right and give your opinion and views and matter. And you don't know, lion foot is open to criticism. So leave in the comments in the section below. You see me? And let me know. Alright? I don't know. I'm out.
Big and Lion Food TV, fresh food, seafood limited, Beckham Rye, nice and fresh seafood. Yeah man, always, all the way from Kingston. Yeah man, this is Lion Food TV, Lion Food TV, fresh fish, seafood, Beckham Rye. Yeah man, Caribbean place.
Yes.